Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up unattended access with Chrome Remote Desktop. This is really useful if you want to remotely access your computer anytime, even when nobody is there to accept the connection. For example, you can use this to access your work computer from home, control your personal PC while traveling, or help manage another computer remotely. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up unattended remote access using Chrome Remote Desktop step by step. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Chrome Remote Desktop. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you use the same account on the computer you want to access remotely. Once you're on the Chrome Remote Desktop homepage, click on the Remote Access section. Now you'll see an option to set up remote access. Click the Download button. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store where you'll install the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. After the extension installs, go back to the Chrome Remote Desktop page. Now click Accept and Install. Your computer will download a small setup file. Open that file and follow the installation instructions. Once installation is complete, you'll be asked to name your computer. You can choose any name you want, like Office PC, Home Laptop, or something easy to recognize later. After naming the computer, click Next. Now comes the most important step, creating a PIN. You'll need to create at least a 6-digit PIN. This PIN acts as a security password whenever you connect remotely to this computer. Choose a strong PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Type the PIN twice and click Start. That's it. Unattended access is now enabled on your computer. Now let's test it. On another computer, open Google Chrome and go to Chrome Remote Desktop again using the same Google account. Under Remote Devices, you'll see the computer you just set up. Click on the device name, enter your PIN, and after a few seconds, you'll have full remote access to your computer. You can control the mouse, open files, run programs, and basically use the computer as if you were sitting in front of it. You can even connect from your phone. Just install the Chrome Remote Desktop Android app or the Chrome Remote Desktop iPhone app, sign into your Google account, and connect using your PIN. Here are a few important tips. First, make sure the computer you want to access stays powered on and connected to the internet. If the computer is shut down or offline, remote access won't work. Second, never share your PIN with people you don't trust. Anyone with your Google account access and PIN could potentially control your computer. You should also enable two-factor authentication on your Google account for additional security. Another useful thing is that Chrome Remote Desktop works across Windows, Mac, Linux, and even mobile devices, making it one of the easiest free remote access solutions available. And that's basically it. You just learned how to set up unattended access with Chrome Remote Desktop so you can securely access your computer anytime from anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.